Good evening, one and all. Welcome to the Mental Health Webinar Series 2020 and 2021. Today we are in the session of 468th session, and today we have the resource person Mary Florence Frida. The topic of the session is social policy and social legislation. And I would like to welcome today's resource person and all the participants on behalf of American College Madurai, MS Chellamath Institute Madurai, and Madras School of Social Work Chennai, and Red Pond Educational Psychological Research Center Madurai, Yellapond Counseling Center, and STEPS Foundation, TNCC and TNCPE. I would like to intro a few words about today's resource person, Mary Florence Frida. She is the founder of Mary Florence Frida Charitable Trust, which is helping poor cancer patients for their medications. She presented paper on social functioning and social support in Roshni Nilaya College of Bangalore, and she presented paper at DNR College at Andhra, and she's had a work experience. She worked as a senior counselor in community health department in St. John's Medical College Hospital, and she worked as a senior counselor in Bangalore. It's a hospital called the Baptist Hospital, it's a branch of CMC Vellore, and she's worked as a senior researcher at St. John's Research in Bangalore, and she worked as many organizations, and right now she is having the running the charitable trust for the cancer patient. With the with this kind intro, I would like to welcome once again today's resource person and to take our session. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Mary Florence Frida. I thank Madurai American College for giving me the opportunity to do the presentation. My topic is on social policy and social legislation. Social policy is a policy for scheduled castes. Social policy is a policy for backward classes. It is a policy for weaker sections. It is a policy for women and children. The second slide is I'm telling about the definition of the social policy. Social planning is the making of development plans, which seems to be the most popular activity of the governments of underprivileged since the war. It is also one of the biggest failures. An index of failure he finds is the absence of correlation between development planning and economic growth. My third slide is definition of social planning. According to A. Watson, social planning can be defined in terms of efforts to broaden the scope of development planning through a betterment formulation of developmental objectives, the incorporation of new variation into the analysis of the social process, and the design of new instruments of planning. And my fourth slide is there's another definition. What is social? Social is the context is being used primarily to mean conditions of well-being, the life of the individual, or levels of living of the population plus the condition. The fifth slide is social planning in India. Social planning in India. In India's cultural nationalism has been a fact of almost 2000 years. For more, what has been effectively achieved was political nationalism is the definition of people with the state. The contribution of the British rule lay mainly in activating the process. My sixth slide is social planning in India. Development of social planning, uniformity of administrative machinery and of laws, and access to Western nationalism and liberalism through the medium of the English language set in motion forces which created as a sense of identity, the dignity of the individual, equality before law, and scientific outlook were some of the values that made a deep impression on the minds of the educated class. My seventh slide is definition of social policy. According to Professor Timmis, social policy represents a summation of acts of government deliberately designed to improve the welfare of the people. The first evidence of deliberation design of a section of the population was found in the fourth plan document when it was observed. My seventh slide is bureaucracy and social policy.
Sorry to interrupt you. This is your slide, or I can go ahead further. Just tell me, then I can operate it from here. Right now, you can see the slide.
Seventh slide, sir.
This one.
Seventh.
Actually, said in the screens. Can you able to tell?
Seventh, sir.
Actually, I put full screen, ma'am. Can you? What is the title? It's a new challenges to social policy.
No. It's bureaucracy and social policy.
Yes. Okay. I am the slide. Just tell me. After that, I will change the slide. Now I am the bureaucracy and social policy slide. Once it's over, just tell me. I will change the slide.
Framing a policy is the domain of the politician. Social policy is no exception. But before any policy decision is taken by the cabinet, the atoms of problem are drawn by top techno bureaucrats and alternative solutions with the merits and demerits presented. It may be pessimistic to say that bureaucracy indirectly but materially influences decision making. Next slide, sir. New
Yes, ma'am. You can
challenges.
go ahead.
New challenges to social policy. While the
Yes, ma'am. You
above
can go ahead.
analysis refers to the traditional areas of social policy such as social reform, health, education, welfare, social policy, welfare, social security, etc. There are new tensions arising in the process of implementation of developmental policies and programs. For example, the industrial policies bringing to surface the inadequacy of public enterprises and the conflicts in the joint sector. Problem with urbanization. Urbanization is leading to social misdemeanor such as eve teasing called girls system. Apart from the traditional traffic in women and children, there is perceptible rise in crime, juvenile delinquency, child neglect, etc. All these social disorganizational elements could not seem to capable planning system process and administrative techniques. The 10th slide is multi-level planning and decentralized administration. Social policy makers must give serious thought about restraining development and welfare militancy from redesigning into disarray and disruption and community life. 11th slide is how to proceed to achieve social health and human bond. The answer to this question lies in the giving new orientation as expressed in terms such as multi-level planning, decentralized administration, etc. These were embodied in the concept of democratic decentralization. Failure of the democratic decentralization. Democratic decentralization must have talked about the experimented with, but hardly ever pursued to its logical. We may how categorically with a certain state that is the failure was mainly because of lack and enthusiasm. multi-level planning and decentralization. Social policy makes how to proceed to achieve social health and human bond. The answer to the question is giving a new orientation as expressed in terms of such as multi-level planning, decentralization, etc. They were embodied in the concept of democratic decentralization. Failure of decentralization is much talked about, even experimented with, hardly ever pursued. We may now categorically with certainly state that this failure was mainly because of lack and enthusiasm. The following slides are the present the 4 suggestions for having a more positive, purposeful and effective social policy. The first suggestion is that the prevailing assumption that the inherited system of administration with a little reform and some repair elsewhere can meet the transformational and development needs of a country such as India with its social, ethnic and economic diversities and disparities must be given up. The second suggestion is thereafter we must adopt a new system of planning and administration and concentrate our efforts in honestly and vigorously implementing the scheme of democratic decentralization and multi-level planning. The third suggestion is effective social community movement, group leadership and social self-government are very necessary if social development policy and planning to be effective. The present system of centralized planning without a tradition of experiment in alternative planning at the state, local levels does not suit the cultural diversities. Seventh, the last suggestion is citizens association with social policy and implementation of this state are lower levels. This is the biggest challenge. The failure and difference to the formulation of alternative policies approach hampers the adoption of national plans and policies to the local needs and regional requirements. Thank you very much, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I finished, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, 1 minute.
Hello? Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sumanta ma'am, you can take over the question, answer anything. And
Yes, sir. Participants, if you have any doubts, you can chat with ma'am or you can type in chat box.
Abhijit's here.
Yes, sir.
My appreciations, Mary. You took a lot of effort in making the slides and taking forward this presentation. Appreciations for that. In a
Thank you,
crux,
sir.
Mary, in a crux, can you give us an highlight? Can you give us an overview? Just the highlight about what is the situation right now and what are your suggestions? Just the highlight.
Sir, actually, the social policy is a part of the MSW, is one of the core subjects in MSW and social legislation to follow the policies of the government. And that's why the social policy is made effective to follow by the public, sir.
Okay, Mary. The suggestions.
Suggestion is you should implement these policies and follow in day-to-day life, sir.
Okay, Mary. Okay, okay.
Mary ma'am, just I want to discuss. Can you tell about your charity trust activity? Anything if you want to share, you can share.
Sir, we I'm coordinating with my madam, which I had put in the slide. She's only guiding me, Dr. Janet Parmeshwaran from Kidwai Memorial Hospital, Bangalore. She's my mentor and my professor. She has taught me in Garden City College, Bangalore, sir.
Okay, what kind of activity, man, you are doing in the trust, ma'am, for the cancer patients?
We have in Bangalore software companies, lot of them, sir. We go and raise funds in the annual year and December Christmas time, and we get it from Kidwai Hospital or Cancer Institute behind Sanjay Gandhi Hospital. That is parallel to Kidwai Hospital in Bangalore, sir.
Okay, ma'am. How was the this thing recovery rate, ma'am, for the cancer patient? What is the percentage generally? What do you feel as per experience? They are recovering 100% or what's your opinion?
No, actually, some are recurring, like the cancers which come to ladies like breast and cervix and all, there are 50 to 60% chances of surviving. But brain cancer and tongue cancer and all is very less percentage, 20 to 30%, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
And Mary, we are
Okay,
not much associated with the individuals. I personally have not associated with individuals who are suffering from cancer. Can you kindly tell us about what they go through, how life will be for
Sir,
them?
actually, I worked in pediatric cancer hospital when I did my field work. That is my part of my MSW profession, third semester in Kidwai Memorial Hospital. There I saw one child affected with blood cancer. Today, the day before evening, I spoke to that boy. His name was Srikant. Next day I go, that boy is no more, sir. So serious that blood cancer affects only children, not elders.
Okay, Mary. Okay.
Because I love to help the cancer patients because that is the serious disease which
What
cannot
is
be
the
recovered through.
situation right now? Are there individuals, are you seeing individuals who are inclined to support you? Other people who are understanding the situation, are people aware of the situation right now?
Sir, I have my network, that is my childhood friends who are helping me for the funding.
Okay, Mary. Hope things will be
What type
better
of
for
like cancer patients are you are dealing with, ma'am? It's in general this time period. So, what kind of patients are more? In which type of cancer patients are more right now?
Sir, actually more the ladies can affected with breast cancer and cervix cancer, because breast cancer, most of them don't know, they end up in the third stage or fourth stage only. And
Okay. Yeah.
they're not awareness, awareness is not given. That's why a lot of awareness camps are going in Bio Institute of Oncology, Bangalore, Raja Ram Mohan Roy Road, and Kidwai Hospital, and Tata Cancer Hospital. We are tying up, sir, with Kidwai.
Okay. Okay. participant, anything you can interact with resource person.
How to create awareness, ma'am?
Like first you have to do programs, and you should show. First you should have your own group, like your school friends, college friends. You should give awareness to this one. Any sports event is happening, like this World 10K run and all, we can go as a group and give awareness, so a lot of people will come. So through that, you can promote and you can invite press for that.
Okay, ma'am.
That's
Thank
how
you.
I do. I do it because I have people from the media also helping me.
What's
Actually,
your role, ma'am? What's your exact role in that dealing with the cancer patient, ma'am? Or what's your role? What activities you are doing?
I'm doing counseling, sir. My friends are doing fundraising.
Okay.
Fundraising.
Can you just elaborate about the counseling aspect? What kind of counseling you will do in generally overall some points?
Sir, if a patient is that malignancy is this one diagnosed, immediately they are shocked. First, psychologically, you should remove them from that psychology. Should
Clear.
stress. Yeah,
Okay.
clear them. First,
Okay.
you should speak, make the patient accept that he's got the disease. Then you have to inform the family members and tell about the truth of the patient. First, the patient should know, then the immediate family members should know. That is the main reason, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And
Once
recently, my friend's mom had diagnosed with breast cancer, but she was diagnosed when I was in my master's. But her mom died just 5 years back in 2016. So my madam who guided me, Dr. Janet Parmeshwaran, which I had put in the slide, she had told a 15 years guarantee for this person to live, because breast and cervix and all long prolong is there. Only brain we can't diagnose so easily.
okay.
Mary?
Yeah, sir.
Really a humble activity, humble support that you're giving to the society. My respects for
No,
that.
sir. Actually, when I was in my UG, I studied in the topmost college in Bangalore, Mount Carmel College, Vasant Nagar. It's the topmost Bangalore college. So that time when I was in my final year, I don't know what to choose for masters. So I just was doing volunteering for NGO. Then when I went to Jnana Bharati Bangalore University campus, I thought, why don't I match my profession with my qualities? So first I planned to take sociology. Then when I went to campus, they told sociology and MSW is different. So actually my character matches, because I'm very simple, humble, and I don't tell much about myself. That is and I'm come from a very middle class family. So that is my nature of upbringing.
My respects, man. My respects. And a kind suggestion to you. You did well, but at the same time, you can go at a slower pace, Mary. Your slides were good. You could go in a slower pace. You could reduce your pace a little bit so that it will be efficient. The communication will be efficient, and your communication is good. You just say things out of your understanding rather than rather than going through the slides. It will be much better. People can understand things much better when you say things from your understanding. So,
Okay, sir.
keep going. Take care.
Any
sir.
participant, you can ask the question, or you can discuss your view about cancer patient or anything related to charity trust or whatever the doubts. You can talk to resource person. Ma'am, can you just brief about the trust activity? How to do the trust? Anything if you want to share about charitable trust function or to start?
No, sir. Actually, first we were doing programs, just we are doing simple programs. Then we got highlighted community program. There is a village called Bandepalya in Bangalore. So the madam took me. So our community work came in Kannada newspaper, Kannada Prabha. After that, we got into this, started our own NGO. We registered to advocate, and then what is the procedure? Now we are running that ATG, who are giving funds. We are giving ATG certificates and also.
18G, isn't it?
18G.
18G, 80G. Okay,
Yeah, sir, because they will get reduction in the income tax.
understood, ma'am. Yeah.
Because I have very my Mount Carmel friends are good advocates, so they tell how to do the trust work and what programs. They will guide me at intervals. And there is a person who does CA work for my trust also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Participant, you can interact with the resource person. Anything if you want to ask a doubts, clarification, you can discuss.
Mary, you can
Yeah, tell
kindly share about your journey, Mary. Journey in the sense, what made you to jump into this field, and you are trying to make a difference in lives of other people, and not many
no,
people know about this. I
sir.
don't
Actually,
don't know much about
my net
cancer.
about.
So kindly
Okay, sir.
experience. It will be really helpful for all, and we will have another 15 minutes for to 5:45. So we have time, and you can use them share your experience.
Actually, when I was in my BA, I studied in Mount Carmel, Vasantnagar. I wanted to help people, so I joined National Social Service. So then I decided what to do. Then I took up 2 forms like MA Sociology, MSW. Then I thought first to take MA Sociology. Then I found that instead of everyone doing MA, why don't we do MSW? Like, let everyone ask what is MSW, then we can tell Masters in Social Work. And I took a specialization medical psychiatry because I had a background of psychology in my UG. So that actually HR specialization is also there in MSW, but I'm not a very authoritative person. I don't ask, with authority. I request. I don't do anything with authority. So I request if I want, I need something. I just don't shout, do this, do that. I'm not that authoritative person. So I'm very like humble, still like that. So I always request for help. If I need, even to my own childhood friends or my sisters or my parents, I request. I don't do so. I thought HR won't match my character, my personal character. So I took MSW, the medical and psychiatric social work. This was another specialization or community development. But since I'm a Tamilian, so I know Tamil very well, but I don't know Kannada that much. So we have to work in villages now. So local languages must in Bangalore, Kannada. So I don't know. So I studied in convent education. So I thought counseling will be better to match my character. I can comfort people with sadness. Because anyone has problem, they have shared with me, and from me, that problem is not gone to anybody. It will only be in my heart. If I just, for me, God is everything. I believe God more than I believe in myself. It's like Jesus and my parents who have brought me to here, sir. If I'm living and if I'm doing so much, is God's grace. And in my free time, I do social work. Rest of the time, I go for prayer meeting. I devote myself totally to God, and I believe God's plan is the best plan for me. I think so. God brought me into this profession for a reason. That's what I feel.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for sharing the experience, ma'am. Thank you very much. So, any other thing, participant? Sunita, ma'am, can you do the vote of thanks to the lesson?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you've done a very wonderful job today. You shared your experience. So really, it was eye-opening session for everybody. As Abhijit said, he interacted a lot and he gave a lot of commands and he explained a lot of things. Sunita, we can go ahead, please. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It was a wonderful session, ma'am. You created awareness regarding cancer. Then you discussed social policy, then new challenging economic offenses, then urbanization, multi-level planning. It was a wonderful session. You created awareness today in this webinar session. Kindly accept our gratitude on behalf of American College Madurai, MS Chellamuthu Institute Madurai, Madras School of Social Work Chennai, Red Pond Educational Research Center, Yellow Pond Counseling Center, TNCCA and TNCPA STEPS Foundation. We thank you, ma'am. Participants, we will have yet another wonderful session tomorrow evening. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity.